Algebra OST Spring 2022 released items question number 3 here. So it says select all the relations that represent a function. So notice it says select all, and notice the boxes, right? So this is not a multiple choice. There is not just one answer potentially. There could be more than one answer. Now, this says function. We need to remember that when a relation is a function, each x has its own y, one y. I should not say its own y, has one y. Okay, so this cannot be your situation where one x value has two different y's. Okay, so in these first 4 examples here, we are looking for x values that repeat and have different y values. So if you look here in the first one, 0, 4, 5, 7, and then another 7. These two ordered pairs have the same x value. You have a 7 going to a 4 and to an 8. That is a no-no. So this is not a choice. So, no. The next one, 0, 3, 6, 9, 15. All those x values are unique, so this will be a function. The next one, x's, 0, 4, 7. None of these x's repeat. That'll be a function. Notice I don't even care about the y values, right? Notice, again, that they try to trick you by making all these y's the same. Who cares? Who cares? It's about the x's. The next one, 4, 4, 4. All of these repeat, so that is not a function. Okay? And now let's scroll down here to these graphs. There's a couple more. Okay? Now, in these graphs, right, we are looking for what's called the vertical line test. So let me show you which would not be a function. If a graph looked like this, this would not be a function because if I drew a vertical line through it, it touches it twice. What that means is that these 2 points have the same x value because a vertical line goes down through them. So if I look here, if I draw a bunch of vertical lines, none of them touch the graph more than once. You could be a little bit concerned here, right, with how it looks there, but that's still once. So that's actually a function. So I'll check that box off. And then we look at the last one here, same thing, right? Again, I know it gets kind of steep here, but if I draw a vertical line, every time those vertical lines only touch the graph one place. So that would also be a function. So again, select all that apply. 1, 2, 3, 4 answers.